All right, 2012 NFL Bowman, Topps Bowman. Um, Last one I found at Target, so 2012. Haven't seen these in a while, so hopefully we can get something good here. So yeah, let's see. 2012 Bowman comes with 8 packs. And hoping to get the oops, get it focused here. The luck rookie, but I guess we'll see. Let's see what it is. Oh, here we go. Eight packs. Let's go with the first one. 3 rookie cards in every pack. I don't think I've done a Bowman. Gronkowski. There's a rookie. I don't think there's any hits per blasters, not that I know of. Robert Griffin, kind of an insert rookie. Kirk Cousins. It's an insert accolades. Aaron Hernandez, Cam Newton. Nick Foles. Alright, 2 packs left. So we'll see how this goes. Colt McCoy. Alright, last one. Oh, I guess there is a hit. Andy Dalton. Bengals doing decent this year. Well, he's kind of up and down, but cool. Alright. Alright. I guess that's it. I guess there is a hit. Andy Dalton. Cool. Thanks for watching.